Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I'll show you how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and extend it, and in here you'll find Do Not Disturb mode toggle. Now for me it's right here, a third one. So once you locate it, you can simply tap on it to turn it on, but you can also hold this toggle and this will take you to the settings where you can just customize how it functions. So go to the settings, change them to your liking, and once you have done so, you can then go back to the toggle once more, tap on it, and as you can see it is now enabled. And once you're done with it, once you enable it, you do want to probably remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely. So again, to do so, just pull down your notification, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode toggle to turn it off, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.